Tired of wrestling with user authentication? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, we are going to build a full login page, complete with backend integration for both Google and Microsoft accounts. First, let's set up our development environment by installing Node.js and your preferred code editor like VS Code, so we can start creating our authentication system. Next, create the basic HTML structure for the login page, making sure you're including fields for email and password, alongside distinct buttons for Google and Microsoft login options, so that the login forms are well structured. Now, link your CSS style sheet to the HTML for styling. Now, add some flair, style the login page with CSS to enhance its visual appeal. Customize the button colors, font styles, and layout to match your app's branding for a consistent user experience. Remember to make it visually appealing. On the back end, we are diving into Node.js, install Express, Passports, and the Passport Google and Microsoft Auth2 strategies, so we can handle user authentication in our backend. This sets the stage for secure user management. Time to configure Passports for Google authentication. Set up your Google Auth credentials, then configure Passport to use the Google strategy, directing users for authorization and obtaining their profiles, making the login process safe. Repeat the process for Microsoft authentication, configuring Passport with your Microsoft Auth credentials and setting up the Microsoft strategy. Be sure to handle user authentication with the same level of security. Define API routes to handle login requests, using middleware to authenticate users via Passports. This is crucial for secure API communication and validating user identities. And there you have it, a fully functional login page integrated with Google and Microsoft accounts, allowing for a streamlined user experience. The keys to unlocking effortless user management are now in your hands.